We're at Melly. Melly is, well... Melly is a cafe, Melly is an event space, but most importantly, Melly is a bookshop? I don't know.
And what are you doing here?
Well, I'm part of the Work Learn project, and the Work Learn project is an educational program where youngsters from Rotterdam, from the ages 17 to 24, work on the vision and direction of Melly at Witte de Wit. Melly?
Melly is just really chill. She's like really accessible and really open. Witte de Wit is like a very formal place, and we like to call Witte de Wit an international player. And we saw Melly more as a local hero, a place where young people could actually do stuff, learn stuff, and get exposure.
It's been great, but very challenging. In the coming 4 years, there will be a continuous work-learn project. In this project, there will be specific roles to be fulfilled.
It's for people who are willing to expand their creativity, such as a curator, an artist, maybe a writer. I think our vision is mostly about combining different types of art and showing it, such as maybe dance, music, photography, those things.
Through different workshops with various professionals, we started to formulate a vision, and in different groups we started to work on certain aspects of this vision.
So those aspects were communication, philosophy of Melly, and spatial design. We wanted Melly to be a place for everyone.
And how are you going to make it happen?
We already made it happen. On the 15th of February, we created an event that was supposed to combine the powers of different art disciplines to make a temporary identity for Melly. Accessibility, fluidity, helpfulness, resourcefulness, the perfect recipe to make an amazing meal.
I think we're leaving behind a lot of things. We've seen a lot about how institutions work, and we've experienced a lot. And we wanted to document that experience in the form of a zine. And that zine will feature our creativity, but also our ideas. It will document our incredible visions of all of the members of our group. Melly.
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 I actually am very happy to have working with these guys, and I think they really have made a difference, and I couldn't be more proud, actually.